Hi, not my normal setup. I wasn't actually intending on doing a video on this, but I thought I'd just chuck a couple of little cameras up quickly just in case it worked out. So I needed to change the machine heads, you know, the tuning pegs on my Pinky Muso bass, because the thread or the washer had just completely disintegrated. So I was really struggling when I was tuning it, but more when I was changing strings. When I put the Thunder Blacks on it, I wasn't 100% sure I was going to get it finished. So anyway, I've bought a set of these. They're the Hipshot, let me get this right, Hipshot Custom Toad machine heads, basically. These are the ones that Carla tend to put on their bass ukuleles. So I've managed to get a set of these. So as you can see, hopefully, this peg here, the washer in the middle has completely been destroyed. So I'm going to see if the Hipshot tuning machine heads will fit my cheap Pinky bass ukulele. Right, first of all, let's take the string off. So I'm going to undo this centre one. So the whole thing will come apart. In other words, the front and the back come apart. Like that. Those to me look identical. We'll see now. Okay, do or die time. So we're doing the opposite now. I'm taking the front off and try and do it so it doesn't completely fall apart. Is actually shaped by the looks of it. I have done this before, honestly, just not with these ones. Everything's gonna go the right way. Okay, so this bit is on now. We'll tighten that up in a moment. Need to get the cogs roughly in the right place. And then, so this bit now is going on the top here. Okay. Okay, I think we're all in the right bit here. That's turning. This should line up. I vaguely remember putting that down and then wiggling this through from previous, because the cogs have actually got to match up. There we go. So now that should all be slotted together, and I've got to put this one little screw that holds the front and the back, and I'm going to try and match up. There's a tiny hole over there. We may have to realign that slightly. We'll see. So I'm only doing it very loosely for a minute because I want to see how well that little screw is lining up at the bottom. Now it's lining up perfectly, I think. That all seems to be turning. So let's, now in theory it should be popping that in there. I'm doing it all quite loose to start with. Okay, now I'm going to tighten this one up. I turn that, and it is definitely going around. Fantastic. Now I've got to see, will the actual string fit in here? Keep everything crossed. Yes, awesome. Okay, I hate doing this job, but I'm willing to try it. So these are the new Formula Thunder Blacks. Now, they've been on here already, so I'm hoping they are already quite pre-stretched. So I'm putting quite a lot of pressure at the minute, pulling the string up from the bottom. The trouble is it's quite tight in here. Right. Right, I've got to remember to do this over. This is how Ukuleles recommend doing it. So it goes over like that, then back under, still trying to hold the tension on the string, like so. And remember, these are really thick strings, and then hopefully that seems pretty secure. I'm not utterly convinced, but the main thing is the strings fit in the new machine head. This seems to turn lovely, and they fit. So there we are. I can confirm that the Hipshot Custom Light, I think they are, but it's the Hipshot machine heads that I know Carla put on their bass ukuleles fits on the cheaper solid body Muzu ukulele anyway. It'll be interesting to find out if it fits in other ones. The beauty of doing it this way is you don't end up with a lot of string around the actual machine head. Just 3 others to do, but I'm not going to do that on video. It'll be much quicker. But yes, the Hipshot tuners fit this anyway, cheaper U-bass. So it was successful, it worked. I'm quite glad I put a couple of cameras on it. I don't know what this is going to come out like audio wise or the actual picture. I hope at least it's helped to confirm that these Hipshot tuning pegs or machine heads do fit on other bass ukuleles, and I just very, very quickly showed you how to put an E string on a U bass, and as you could gather, I don't really like doing it, but I will at some point make a video showing you how to restring a bass ukulele. I do hope this has helped. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.